I'm just going to take a really quick picture for Snapchat and Instagram, so please hold. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be really quick. We're going to do a very quick unboxing, and we just got in not too long ago and ran over to the mailbox because I was expecting something in the mail, but instead I got the Allure Beauty Box. Hopefully this is the December Beauty Box. So I just wanted to unbox it for you guys and just take a look, see what's in this, and hopefully it's what I've been waiting for. So as soon as you open it, you see Nikkietutorials' face, because this is her December box. So I'm really glad about that. So in this pamphlet here, it just shows you all the products you're gonna get, but we're just gonna dig right into the box. So this is what everything looks like. Before I go through it, I'm just going to take a really quick picture for Snapchat and Instagram, so please hold. Okay, so as soon as you open it, the first thing I see is a individual Neutrogena wipe. I really like the ideas of this. Instead of carrying makeup wipes around in your purse, you can just carry individuals. And I've used that before. That's actually probably one of my favorite makeup removers. So over here we have a Ren Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. And this is for your skin. So it's just a moisturizer. I was like touching everything. Okay, so that feels pretty nice. I do get a little nervous trying a lot of skincare out because I have broken out in the past. So the next product is a NYX Lip Lingerie in Cabernet Show. So this is what that looks like. And I will swatch it for you guys. I've been seeing a lot of people using this lipstick, and I know a lot of people that I've seen wearing it. I've always asked, hey, what's on your lips? And they always tell me it was this. So I'm really excited. And I hope it looks the same way on me as it does on them. I don't even know where to swatch it. I'm really bad at swatching. So let's just... The next product is an LA Splash Arctique. I don't even know how to pronounce this. So it's the LA Splash eyeliner. I have been wanting to try this for a while, and I'm actually glad that this came in right on time because I'm running low on mine. So this is what it looks like. And let's see how fine this is. I don't know, it's kind of going on a little streaky. I'll try out all of these products in another video for you guys and let you know what I think about everything. So the next product is the Nubian by Juvia's Place, and I am so excited to try this. I do have one of their other palettes and I have yet to try it. So I may use this one first because this one is a nude palette. So I'm really curious as to how their shadows go on. So it's so cute. This is what it looks like. And these are the colors. I'll swatch it for you guys. These are so pigmented. At least they're swatching really pigmented. Oh, and that one shimmery shade is so buttery. Oh, okay. Both shimmery shades are extremely buttery. So these are the shadows, and the two shimmery shades are super, super buttery. Okay, so I'm really excited to try that out. And the last product is the other one that I have been looking forward to getting. and it is the Ofra Nikkietutorials Everglow highlighter. This is her tri-quad. So it has 3 of her. This was actually the first collab that she did, and I know a lot of people were saying if she could make them individual shades. So I'm gonna swatch it. This is my first time. Actually, this is my first Ofra highlighter, so I have really high expectations for this. Oh, this medium shade is so pretty. These swatch beautifully, so I'm going to show you what they look like. So these are the highlighters. The middle shade looks like it would be perfect for my skin tone. These two I wouldn't be able to really pull off on as a highlighter, but they'll both be beautiful as eyeshadows. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. So yeah, that was my box. Like I said, I didn't have a good experience with the customer service since nobody got in touch with me, and they told me that, you know, I mean, I explained everything in my previous video. So if you want to know a little bit more about that, you can just take a look at that. But I was really happy with this box. I want everything that was in here. So that was the whole purpose of signing up for this. So these are the swatches of everything in the box: eyeliner, lipstick, palette, and highlighters. I am really excited about the products, and I will do a tutorial or a makeup look, just trying everything out on camera, let you guys know what I think about it. And yeah, I guess that wraps it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.